Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be another Savannah haul. I know you guys love these videos and I love doing these videos so much. These outfits are fabulous. You're going to get some ideas for birthdays, for events, for any parties you may have coming up, and even some casual wear. I have so much to show you in this video. Savannah actually has weekend sales now. There's going to be a flash sale with 50% off every weekend. You want to put an alarm for Saturday 10 a.m. and the sale is going to go on till Monday 10 a.m. And I'm sure you're gonna have to add to your cart some of the items I'm gonna show you today. I have some dresses, pants, tops, skirts, so many different things. But dresses are my absolute favorite, so let's begin with the dresses. This is the first dress I got. This is actually a red ruched tube dress. It is fully ruched, which I absolutely love because ruching on a dress is so forgiving. It's super stretchy. I love how it fits. It takes the shape of your body and it comes with this really fun fabric that honestly you can do so much with. It's a really long piece of fabric and you can tie it up in so many different ways and create so many different dresses out of this. For example, I can just drape it twice in the front like this and then it becomes like a strapless dress. This dress is somehow just giving me Pooh vibes, you know, especially with the necktie. It is such 2000s vibes. Guys, there are honestly so many different ways in which you can style this dress. I think it goes a long way. You can create so many dresses out of this. This is honestly one of my favorite dresses that I got. It's red. Red is a very hot color this season. And I've been looking for some fabulous red dresses and I found them on Savannah. You can be sure to find all of these fabulous trendy pieces on Savannah along with some classics. So this is a really hot dress in my opinion. And here is how it looks from the back as well. It's fully ruched on the back, which is great. It is fully ruched on the back as well, which I absolutely love. I am a huge fan of when patterns and textures and prints and anything that is in the front of the dress continues on the back. I think that makes an outfit look super expensive and not cheaply made. Okay, I'm not sure which is my favorite way of wearing this dress, but I know that I'm obsessed. And this dress would be perfect for a birthday, a party, a cocktail occasion, even a formal kind of event. It's such a versatile dress. You can do so much with this, and this piece of fabric is just honestly so fun to play with. You can do anything you want with it. Let's move on to the next dress. This is the next dress I got and I have to admit this is a very unusual dress for me. I don't usually wear a lot of prints. The only kind of prints I wear are maybe polka dots, heart print, star print, animal prints. I love all animal prints. Maybe some funky prints here and there, but I don't usually have a lot of prints in my wardrobe. But this dress just caught my eye, girl. This dress was so different and shocking and still beautiful in some way because this print is so strategic, honey. This print is gonna give you them curves. This dress fits so well, it is so comfortable. The fabric feels so soft against my skin. Plus, it is like wearing second skin. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. We love that the print carries on at the back. I just absolutely love what this dress is doing. I'm sure this dress is going to make a lot of heads turn. Just look at how fabulous it is. It makes me feel some type of way. It's a different dress. If you want to be bold, this could be a fabulous birthday dress. Like this would be the dress people remember. And even though it's super modest, it's all fully covered, it's still so sexy and so out there. It's very unique. I'm happy to have something like this in my collection. Let's move on to the next one. You guys, this is one of the prettiest dresses ever. I was so obsessed when I saw this. It's fully lace. It feels so amazing on the body, so soft and beautiful. This was available in a black, lilac and white. I picked out the white one as you can see. Now that I have it on, it feels a little bit more like a wedding dress, but I still love how it looks. I think this would be so stunning to like a beach party or a white party or even as a birthday dress. Maybe like a bachelorette party kind of dress as well. I think it's so beautiful. It's so stunning and feminine. Plus it has a train, you guys. This outfit is absolutely beautiful. Just look at the back of this dress. It is fully ruched as you can see. And the train is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a full lace train. I am definitely going to take this outfit to my next beach vacation. This is just going to be so perfect by the beach. And there is so much fabric in here. This train is just so stunning, so beautiful. It's all fully lace. It's one of the most feminine, soft feminine kind of dresses. You can also wear the sleeves down and wear this as an off-shoulder dress, which I'm going to do as well. I think it looks really pretty that way too. You would want some great photos from the back in this dress. Okay, this is the next dress I got. I told you I got a bunch of red dresses because I just love the simplicity and sexiness of a red dress. And this one is just absolutely gorgeous. It's all red lace. It is fully red lace front to back, and it has this beautiful kind of corset look on top. It is fully padded, so you don't have to wear a bra with it as well. There are ties over here which you can tie either at the back, maybe in the front like I did. I enjoy the bow in the front. I think it looks so cute and girly. And this dress, oh my god, you guys, this dress is pockets. I was like, can this get any better? This is like a super comfortable dress. You can eat and eat in this and nobody will be able to tell a thing. And the pockets got me, guys. The pockets are it. Pockets in dresses are everything. More girls' clothes need to come with pockets. Please just give us more pockets. I think this would be such a beautiful dress for a daytime event. Also would be perfect for a birthday party, brunch, girls' day out, date night. I think this is such a beautiful, pretty little girly dress for date night as well. So many different occasions, and I think this is going to be in my wardrobe for a long time. It's one of those classic dresses that I know I can just keep wearing season after season. I'm so happy I picked it up. Doesn't it look a lot more expensive than it was? This looks designer and high-end. It feels really nice quality as well. It's just lace all around. It's so feminine and girly. I feel so beautiful in this. Let's move on to the next one. Savannah is one of my most opened apps right now because they refresh their collection every 24 hours, and I have to say I'm a little bit addicted to their app, but I always find something I love. I got two different pieces, like they're two separates. This is not a coordinate set. I'm just wearing it together to show you. But I got this really nice beige top. This is gonna come so handy in so many different things. It's such a nice neutral color. You can style it in so many different ways. It'll look nice with jeans, trousers, skirts, shorts, pants. All of that you can do with this top. Plus you can wear this everywhere. It's nice and modest. It fits really well. I think this was only available in one size. It's like a one size top, but it really stretches out. It's super stretchy, really nice ribbed material, and super comfy. Plus I think basics like this are an essential in your wardrobe, and I always love to pick up basics with a little bit of a twist. So I love this front neck detailing on this top. And then of course I had to pick up this denim skirt. When I saw this, I was so obsessed. Like, I knew that I needed to have this in my closet right now. Pleated skirts are everywhere, like school-going kind of pleated skirts, and a little bit low-waisted as well. This is not high-waisted, so it's definitely like a mid-waist to a low-waist situation. We're going back to the 2000s trend. I'm not doing completely low-waist, but I can get around with a mid-waist kind of situation. So this skirt is absolutely stunning. I love it. I'm gonna wear it with so many different items. And it also comes with its own little belt, which I should show you what this looks like on. Guys, this skirt is reminding me so much of the 2000s. I cannot tell you. This would have probably been my favorite skirt when I was 15 years old. If I found this skirt in my wardrobe, this would have been all I wore. This is the kind of stuff I used to wear when I was a teenager. And all of that fashion is back. And you know what? I actually did hold on to some of my old clothing from then that is now in trend, which is just crazy because fashion is cyclical. You know, things keep coming back in trend, and you can always find like new hot trendy items on Savannah. Plus a bunch of classics as well. But this skirt, I'm sure I had something like this in my wardrobe when I was 14, 16, 15, 17. You know, that time, the 2000s was such a magical era. But now I get to wear all of this again because this is back in trend. I absolutely love how cute this fit is. I can put on a shirt with this, like a nice fitted white shirt would look so cute with this little skirt. Like total Rachel Green vibes. Look at this top. I'm all over it. Leopard is all over right now. Leopard is a huge trend and I've always been a fan of leopard. If you've been following me for a long time, you know I love leopard print. So the fact that leopard is now in fashion, I'm just so excited. So I had to pick up this little leopard crop top. As you can see, it's fully sequined and it's super shimmery and shiny, and it's shiny and beautiful in real life. It's not like obnoxiously shiny with cheap sequins. They're really nice high quality sequins that look very well sewn on. They're not gonna come out of this top. It is padded as well, so you don't need to wear a bra with it, and this top is gonna go with so many different things. You can wear it under a blazer, you can also wear it as a blouse with your sari, or of course you can wear it with jeans like I've done right now, which I have to talk about. I love how their jeans fit. I love the length of them. I can wear them with heels because they have a little slit on the bottom, as you can see, so they look really beautiful with your shoes peeking through a little bit, and it makes you look incredibly taller. The shape of these jeans is just beautiful. It fits right on the waist, on the hips, on the thighs, and then it flares out at the bottom, so it gives like a beautiful mermaid hourglassy kind of effect. Something that fits my butt will not fit my waist, or something that fits my waist will not fit my butt. The jeans just fit right. They're super stretchy, so maybe I could have sized down in this as well, but I like my jeans to be very comfortable, but it still fits really nice. I love how comfortable and stretchy it is. I can totally move in this. And I didn't have any jeans in my wardrobe that were this color. This is like a grayish kind of toned down denim kind of color. It's such a versatile color. It's gonna go with so many different things in my wardrobe. I know this is just gonna be a pair of jeans that I get so much use out of. I'm gonna wear this so often. I love it. Let's move on to the next one. I quickly wanted to show you these leggings that I got. I thought they were so fabulous. You can also totally wear these as pants. However, they are a little bit on the thinner side because they are leggings. They're not technically pants. But I thought these were so fun, like just to lounge around in. They're so comfy. They're really stretchy. I think these are going to come very handy with a lot of different things. Black wide leg pants go with so many different looks, and they're just a staple in my wardrobe. I have black wide leg pants in so many different styles and fabrics. I have these now. These are like a legging material. Then I also have a really nice suede pair that is great for the winter time. And then I have like a spandexy cotton kind of pair. So I love to have different varieties of wide leg black pants that I can put on with anything depending upon how I'm feeling. However, these are extremely comfy. If you're looking for a very comfy black lounge pant, definitely check this out. With the more mid-waisted stuff coming back in trend, I've also been picking up slightly longer tops, and I saw this one on Savannah and I knew I needed to pick it up. Things that have buttons in the front are also hugely trending right now, like waistcoats and vests, and just really chic and beautiful tops that look like this. They go with a lot of different things. Right now I'm wearing it with the same jeans that I showed you before, but this would also look really beautiful with a midi skirt. Definitely like Sex and the City vibes. These longer tops are actually pretty comfortable to wear because you're not showing any belly, and they cover everything up and look so chic. This color is really fun as well. It's like a maroony brown kind of shade. It looks so rich and fabulous. I think it's a very versatile piece that would go with a lot of different things in my wardrobe. And I love the feminine fabric and feel of this top. It's a really soft material. It's made out of satin and it's super stretchy as well. I love it. It's so unique and different. The sleeves are so elegant. I didn't have anything like this in my collection, so I definitely had to pick it up. Clearly, I've just been thinking about skirts a lot and I picked up some really great ones from Savannah. This is such a beautiful skirt. I love the color of this. It's like an olive, a neutral shade that goes with so many different things. This skirt is probably the skirt that I used to wear in school. But the one I used to wear in school was obviously a little longer. However, school skirts have been such a huge vibe, like schoolgirly little playful skirts. Pleated skirts are all over, and I thought I will get so much use out of this skirt. It is so cute. I love it, and it does come with its own belt as well. But of course, you can change it out and put your own belt if you want to. However, this plain black belt looks really nice with the skirt, and I think it's so fun for summer. And the skirt is such a classic piece. You could totally wear this in the winters with some leggings and a coat, and I think that would also look really cute with some boots. It would be perfect for the winter time. But yeah, I think this is so cute. It makes me feel like so young and playful. Such a vibe. I love it. I'm back in the first top I showed you, and there are just so many ways you can mix and match all of these pieces. These pieces are so versatile and can be styled in so many different ways, mixing and matching with each other and creating a multitude of outfits. However, these pants are just so fabulous. I love these pants so much. They're so comfortable. They're really nice, light, airy material, so perfect for the hot, muggy summer season. And they're super high-waisted, so they're uber comfortable, uber light, and just the color is so fabulous. I know I'm going to get so much use out of these. They're gonna go with so many different items in my wardrobe. I love the length of them because then you can also give your shoes a really nice moment. They are elasticated at the back, so they fit the waist really well, and they're so comfortable. I know I'm gonna pair these with so many different things and just get a lot of use out of these in the summertime. This is the next outfit I got, and these are actually two separate pieces. This is a really pretty top, and this is a satin skirt. I've been looking at satin skirts all over the place, and I wanted to pick up a nice black one. I am a pear-shaped body, so sometimes I do pick up bottoms in a darker color because then it's just easier to balance out my body and easier to wear. And I love the cut of this skirt. It's a nice midi length and it looks so chic and feminine. Plus this top just goes perfectly with the skirt. A little longer tops, slightly longer tops are more in fashion now than super croppy crop tops. Even though I love my crop tops and a pair of jeans is just like my uniform. That is what I always gravitate towards when I know I'm going somewhere and I want to look cute and I don't want to spend a lot of time deciding what to wear. That's when I just pick up a crop top and a pair of flared jeans. They always do it for me. But I'm getting into the slightly longer tops as well. So I picked this one up, and it's a very stunning black lace top. It's all lace and it looks so beautiful. The fit of this is fabulous. You can tie it in the front. I've tied it into a knot, as you can see, and it completely covers the belly area, so if you have a little food baby, nobody's gonna see it. And I especially love how it looks with this black satin skirt, which honestly feels so soft, by the way. This skirt feels so luxurious and high quality, and it just glides over the body. These fabrics, this lace and this satin makes you feel so sexy and feminine. And honestly, this looks like something Carrie Bradshaw would wear in Sex and the City. It is such 2000s vibes. I love the cut and the fit of this, and it makes me feel super sexy, and it's an all black moment, which we live for. With that, we finish this haul. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it interesting. Do let me know which was your favorite outfit in the comments down below from this entire video. I've shown you so many different outfits for so many different occasions. I'm sure you found something you are going to be interested in. If you pick up these outfits, please tag me in your pictures on Instagram. I cannot wait to be twinning with you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye!